Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary. Today I'm in Orr Ford in Stonewall, Louisiana, and I'm going to share something with some of you that you may have on your Ford truck or other Ford vehicle that you didn't even know was there. One of the top comments I get on my Ford F-150, F-250, and so forth videos when I show this feature is, I didn't even know I had that. In fact, I have some personal friends right here in the area where I live who just traded in their 2015 F-150 for a 2020 model. They had that truck for nearly 5 full years and didn't know that their truck was equipped with a front camera washer. And so if your Ford vehicle is equipped with this, it's going to be on higher trim levels, and you might be able to have it added as an option on a lower trim level if you want to pay for it. I'm not really sure about that, but check into it if you're interested. But here's how it works. If you bring up the camera on your infotainment screen and you notice that it's dirty, the way you activate the front camera washer is by simply pushing the button on the turn signal lever that you would normally use to activate the windshield washer fluid to clean off your windshield. You'll see on the screen the little camera actually pop out. You're going to be able to see that, and it's going to spray a stream of windshield washer fluid across your front camera and clean it right off for you. If this is the first time you've heard about this and you've discovered it to be on your Ford vehicle, tell me about it in the comments. I'd like to get your reaction on that. And if it's something you already knew about, tell me about how helpful that has been to you. Tell me about your experience with the front camera washer. I'd like to thank Orr Ford for loaning me this truck to give you this quick tutorial today, and all of you for being kind enough to take the time to watch today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to click the like button. That helps me immensely with getting this in front of more people, and also by sharing it on your timelines on social media. And if you haven't subscribed yet to Vehicle Visionary, please be sure to do so. I appreciate each and every one of you and look forward to seeing you in my next video.